We are about to go pick up our brand new Model 3 Performance. We'll share with you guys the ordering process, why we bought it, what we paid for it, and all that. But first, let's go get this car. We just got here and checked in, and we're waiting to go see our vehicle. He's going to get the car. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes. We're waiting for him to bring the car around, but if he brings out a Cybertruck an accident, I can say nothing.
Once you're ready to accept delivery, just come on back in.
Awesome,
okay?
thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks.
Next to your brand new Model Y, too. Wow. It's pretty sick, huh? All right, let's do our inspection.
Let me see the smile.
So you can do like a very detailed inspection if you want. I'm just looking for like panel gaps. Do things open and close right? Do things work in the car? Yeah, nothing too crazy. Just want to make sure things line up right and that things work. So we're gonna go inside. The outside looks great. Looks really good actually. Let's go inside and check it out.
How do you think about this? How do you think about that?
That's the performance bench. Oh.
Wow, it smells so good.
It's got a strong new car smell, like a strong one.
Dang, this is sick.
It's hot in here first though.
It is hot.
Let's
Turn
make sure
on
the AC works.
I think I don't want to wear my shoes here because, like, you know.
Yeah, there's just carpet. That's fine. It's carpet formats.
Whoa, the touch buttons. See?
These aren't just touch. They're not buttons at all. Yeah.
I know.
This is touch also. All right.
Dang.
Again, just making sure like things that are supposed to be working are working. I like that.
Okay.
Air conditioning is working. How about the cooled seats? We'll give that a minute and see if we can feel that.
Making sure everything is all right.
How many miles it got? What do you think?
5. I think it's 5.
Let's do a glove box. Make sure the glove box opens. Nice.
Whoa.
Push it in. It's a magnet.
Whoa, very strong.
What are your impressions? What are your first impressions?
I like it. It's for you. I'm happy for you, babe. You
How do you
all
like the
deserved
seats?
it.
Look at the seats. The performance
It's
badge.
fancy. Let me see.
They put it in 0.5 zoom. We got the bucket here, so you're when we
Dang.
go crazy driving, you're not gonna go flying.
That's nice. Let me see. Whoa, it's not as deep as the other one, but it's all right.
I think it is.
Nah.
This one is at least. It's pretty deep.
Nice. Very nice.
Show us what you
Wow.
found.
Here, you just don't really have to touch it. Just like, oh.
Stay really, really close to it. Very interesting.
Nice.
As you can tell, white interior. Very nice panel here. The bucket seats I absolutely love. The air conditioning does work. Perforation is amazing here in Vegas. This is gonna hold me in very well. I'm worried about this getting wrinkled over time, so I'm gonna be very careful of that, getting in and out so much. But man, this is awesome. Super comfortable too. How is the front?
They moved this one. This one used to be right there, so they moved it here.
Wow, great observation.
Yeah.
Let's go make sure the trunk works. But
Okay.
man, it is a beauty.
Oh, thanks.
Open up for us.
Yo, this is sick, bruh.
Nice. We got the adapter, the license plate holder, sub trunk. Perfect. We got 2 side compartments now on the Model 3. I think we had that also.
You always have it.
Yeah, I think so. I'll close it. Let's go in the back seat really quick, just to inspect.
What's this one for? Is that a tow hitch?
I think so. It's not a sensor, I know that for sure. What do you think of the back seat?
I like.
The seats themselves are perforated, you see, but they're no air conditioning. Just the design is little holes in
Yeah.
it. But they're heated.
Yeah.
And do you see the rear screen?
Yep, this what I like the most.
That's
But
very
I won't be
nice.
sitting in the back, so it's alright. It's for our dogs.
They can watch TV.
Yeah.
How you like the light on the side of you?
I don't even notice it because it's like, I don't know.
Daytime?
I like it. Yeah. Dang. For sure, we need the mats here.
Formats?
Because like right now, it's, I don't know. I feel like for a new car, it deserves to have like tender love and care.
Yeah, we'll get formats. And stay tuned in the video to see what else we do to the car, because we got some stuff coming up for you guys besides just delivery.
I don't like that it doesn't come with a
Oh,
stuff
yeah,
here.
interesting. It's just a whole,
I
there's
don't
no
know.
like a, whatchamacallit, like
A pocket.
folder?
Pocket.
Pocket, there you go.
Because I
Yeah.
feel like this is more of like a sporty looking seat, of
Well,
course.
it's
So
a sports car. It's
yeah.
a performance.
Oh, okay.
How often do you use those pockets though?
Never. But
Now that everything we know works, looks good, feels good, we're gonna go inside, officially pay and take delivery, and then drive this thing around for a little bit. Let's go. We've officially accepted delivery, and we're gonna go link our phone key. I think it should link automatically. Let me go in and
Oh,
see
yeah,
if it has my
there is.
account. Wow, it's on yours already?
yeah.
Wow. All right, let's go. I guess let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's hit the road.
All right, so it's saved. My profile is here, but if you look at me, I don't drive like this close to the wheel. So I gotta change the seats and stuff. So that didn't save accurately, but everything else should be good. I'm excited. But this video is not over. There's a lot of time left in the video, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead, take delivery, and we'll show you where we're going next. Stick around, it'll be a surprise. I'll find out in like 10 seconds. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. So that car you saw just a few seconds ago, that wasn't really my car, so we didn't show much about it, but it was, but let me explain. It wasn't my finished car. And today is Wednesday, which is a week later from when I first picked it up. And I am here with Ben, the man at Starbase Wraps, who has had my car for the past week, and let's just show you guys what it looks like. Dang. That's so clean.
All right, so I'm Ben. I run Starbase Wraps, and I make Teslas look awesome in my free time. We do vinyl wraps, paint protection film, and ceramic window tint to keep you cool, nice in Las Vegas. So on Carmen's car, we did a full vinyl wrap in 3M satin flip ghost pearl, and then I ceramic coated that with G-Technic Halo, and then we also added GeoShield C2 ceramic tint on the windshield and all the side windows and a full rear window. So you're gonna have maximum heat rejection this summer in Las Vegas. It came out great with that ceramic coating on there. You're really gonna have a good time washing it. It's hydrophobic, you get the UV protection, so if it's parked out in the sun, it's really gonna extend the longevity of your Tesla wrap. I think it looks great. I mean, man, just look at this thing.
So I didn't tell anybody I got this car, not even my friends or family. And my dad, he's a really big car guy, but like a classic car guy. He has a 66 GTO that he loves more than me. And he has no idea I got this Model 3. So I'm gonna FaceTime him and show him and see what he thinks. Yo.
What's up? What's
What,
up?
what are you doing?
Watching TV.
I'm show you something.
Alright, God, I'm showing another dog.
No, I got something better.
Want to show me a new car?
What do you think?
Looks the same as the other one. What?
It's the new one.
That's what's funny to Where you at?
I'm at a wrap shop. I just got it wrapped.
So it's your car?
That's my car.
You got a wrap.
No, it's not. It's the new car. We have some accessories, some must-have accessories from EV-based things that don't come with the car that should, so we call them accessories. So we're gonna put those in right away really quick and show you what they are. So first we got a screen protector. This is the most important part of the car, the last thing that you want damaged. So we got one for the front and the back because we do have a rear screen as well. We also got some all-weather floor mats. The carpet floor mats the Tesla comes with are pretty dingy, pretty thin, pretty cheap, so we got some all-weather floor mats right from the get-go. We also installed some mud flaps, and by we, I mean Ben. We got this because the vinyl wrap is brand new. The last thing we want are some rocks and debris kicking up in the side of the car and scratching the wrap. And finally, we got roof shades because we live here in Las Vegas, and the glass roof, although it's very cool, it is not good at rejecting heat, and unless we want our heads burning in the summer months coming up, these are necessary. All right, we are leaving Ben's. I'm in that shock phase where I can't believe this is my car, but we're gonna drive it home. We got about a 35-minute drive. We'll have some fun. The wife is behind me. We're already in drive. I'm still figuring it out, I guess. But man, this is freaking so exciting. Holy crap. Let's make sure we have insane mode on just in case. Just in case. I was looking at a Cybertruck for a little bit. I was almost kind of convinced between Cybertruck and here, but I was worried about like upgrading from my 2022 Model 3, about this one not feeling too different, not feeling too new. But and it's weird because it does. It's got that new car smell. There's a bunch of new features. Everything is just improved. It's so much quieter. Like this is a different car. This is a new car. But it still feels like a Model 3, and not in a bad way. Not in like a like the way I was kind of fearful about being too upset that it wasn't too new. This is this is a new car, and this is sick. Now this wrap, this satin ghost flip pearl, it's what it's called. It looks white, which is fine. I actually wanted a white Model 3 Performance, but that would have put me over the tax credit, and therefore would have cost me an extra $8,500 to have. So I wanted a wrap that would look white, but also be a little bit different. It is so much better. I have it on standard right now. I couldn't go to sport, and like you can instantly just feel every bump in the road on sport. Let's see this little thing here. Yeah, that's so rough. But then standard, it is such a huge difference. Oh my gosh. I strapped this GoPro on very tight. This thing is shaking already. This is not gonna last. This is not gonna last long at all. I don't know much about tires, but I do know that these were made with conjunction of Tesla, like together they made them, for the Model 3 Performance specifically. And they're a staggered setup, so that one, the ones in the back are a little bit wider than the ones in the front to give it more of a aggressive car. So while I sit here in the Las Vegas traffic on full self-driving, I'll share with you guys what we actually paid for the car. So the MSRP, the full price was $54,990. We got the tax credit, which made our price $47,490. And then we took advantage of the 0% financing that Tesla had for 5 years. I wanted a car, well, first, I planned to buy this car in cash sometime in the summer. I had some credits to use thanks to you guys, and I wanted to use it towards this car here. Tesla then offered the 0% APR financing, so it almost didn't make sense to not take advantage of borrowing money for free. So what I ended up doing was I'll throw the number on screen, I don't know the exact number, but I put a little over like $18,000 down, and then I used the rest of my credits that I had. It was like over $19,000, which I just wanted to say I am incredibly grateful. Like there's days where, most days I'm just trying to grind and put out videos and like have fun with you guys and show you guys what we're doing. But like if I zoom out sometimes, I'm just like, I can't believe what I have going on with this YouTube channel and stuff. How many of you guys are just watching and using our code and enable me to use our credits to get this thing. I am incredibly grateful. So that's what we did to get this car. And I wanted a car payment. Well, I didn't want a car payment at all. That's why I wanted to buy it in cash. But if I was gonna have a car payment because of 0% financing, I wanted to have something low. So I made sure to put enough down to where our payment was $250 a month for the next 5 years. So we have a very little car payment of that. But again, it's 0% financing. So it's like free money that we're borrowing. So I gotta pay it. But that's how we bought the car. So I just wanted to say that and thank you guys for using our code so much. And this is gonna be for you guys. This is for the channel. I mean, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it, but like I plan to do a lot of fun and cool things. I've never been to the track in my life. I got the Performance because I wanna take it there. I wanna learn. Ben is a super cool guy, great at what he does, obviously, by the way. I'll leave his stuff down below. But also, he's a big track guy as well. He's gonna show me around, take me to the track, take me to like the Tesla Corsa events they have here in Vegas sometimes. So I'll bring you guys along, we'll have some fun. And for you guys who live here in Vegas, if you want your car wrapped, tinted, PPF'd, whatever, Ben specializes in Teslas. He does an amazing job, obviously. They're a Model Y too. And I can't thank him enough. I'll leave his information down below for you guys. Let him know you know me. He'll hook you up. But as far as you guys go, we're almost home. So I'm gonna say goodbye here, but just for now, because like I said, we got a bunch of fun stuff coming, so make sure you subscribe to stick along for the journey with our new Model T Performers that we welcome to the Vegas SF family. I got some fun stuff planned, but thank you all for watching. Thank you all for using our referral code to enable me to get this. And I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful. But thank you, and catch you in the next one.